Okay, let's say you want to bill your customers on the same day of the month or date of the year. So let's say you have a monthly subscription and you want to bill your customers on the 1st of the month or the 15th of the month or any other date that you like, rather than having the person sign up and be billed on the date that they sign up. So currently what happens is if John signs up on the 3rd of the month on a monthly subscription, he will be billed every month on the 3rd. And if Jane signs up on the 23rd, she'll be billed on the 23rd of each month. But let's say you want to bill both of them on the 1st of the month. Well, now you can do that with Billing Anchor. So we're going to have a test subscription called Basic Monthly. And you can see I already have a rule set up that when someone purchases that test plan, Basic Monthly test plan, that they'll be added to test group 1. So then I'm going to click on Payment button. And again, we're at My Rules, Subscription Rules. And you're going to click on Stripe. And then you'll be on this page and then click on Payment button. And we're going to make a payment button that bills your customer on the 1st of the month. So I'm going to make it for that test plan called Basic Monthly. All the other options are available to you. You can have the button match your Weebly styles and redirect them to whatever they want. And we've covered that in other videos, so I'm just going to focus on this one new feature of Billing Anchors. So click on Advanced Options, and you'll see a new section that says Billing Anchor. Always charge the customer on the same day of the month or year. So again, if it's a monthly plan, we're talking about the same day of the month, the 1st to the 15th. And if you're on an annual plan, you might want to bill them on the same date of the year, like January 1st or July 15th every year. So this is always going to prorate the charge. The first charge that they're going to get is going to be smaller than a full charge, unless they happen to sign up exactly on that date, that billing date. So for example, if you're billing them on the 15th and they sign up on the 1st, that first month, that first charge is going to be for about half of your normal charge, because they're only going to get half of a month, and then they're going to be billed again on that 15th date. So you're going to want to click yes, I want to always charge the customer on the same day of the month or year. So all you're going to put in is the date of the next billing. And so today happens to be March 17th. So let's say I want to bill on the 15th of the month. So this is a monthly subscription that I've chosen. That's up here. Test plan Basic Monthly is a monthly subscription. And the next billing, if I want to bill them on the 15th, so today's March 17th, so the next billing would occur on April 15th. So that's the only date I'm going to put in. Again, March 17th is today, so the next billing date would be April 15th. You do the same thing for annual subscriptions, you just put in the next billing date. And the app's smart enough to know that it's a monthly or annual subscription, and it's smart enough to be embedded on your site and sit there forever, and will still bill them correctly. The only thing you might want to know is that we are setting this up to April 15th, 2019, whatever date you choose, at 12 noon at Pacific Daylight Time. So if you're more than 12 hours away from that, 12 noon Pacific Daylight Time, like you're in Australia, if you're in a time zone where the April 15th, 2019 is actually the 16th or the 14th, you might need to make an adjustment. So definitely just run a test subscription. You'll be able to see when the next billing is on the invoice and adjust as needed. But if you're within 12 hours of Pacific Daylight Time, then you should be fine. So all you're going to do is click Create Button to create that button. Okay, click Copy to Clipboard. And let's see, I made a page on my site. It's March 17th today, so I made a page called March 17th for testing. I go to click on Build and then drag in embed code. And click there, edit, delete that text and paste in the button. I'm going to click here and just center it. Again, you might not see the button in the editor, just publish it and you'll see it on the live site. So then click on this link to see your updated live site. Okay, here we are. Here's our payment button. Okay, and you can again have some more descriptive text. I'm just keeping it simple here. So let's call it March 17th. At example.com. So I'm going to put in a test credit card number and click Pay. Cool, it's just going to redirect me to my homepage because I didn't put a redirect URL, but let's look in Stripe at this subscription. Oh, so there's the email that I'm receiving that I just signed someone up and they've been added to test group 1 because we had a rule in My Rules Subscription Rules to add anyone who makes a purchase of that button to test group 1. Here we have a new subscription ID, so we know that it got created in Stripe, and their email is march17th at example.com. They were added today, which happens to be March 17th, and the renew's on, so the next billing will be on April 15th. And this first billing should have been for a little bit less than $39. The monthly plan's $39, and we didn't get a full month. We got 2 days less because we just signed up today on the 17th, not on the 15th. So let's go look in Stripe. Okay, so I'm going to click on subscriptions in my test Stripe account, and here is that customer, March 17th at example.com. Let's click on that and see how much they were billed. Let's see. The next invoice will be for $39 on April 15th. Perfect. Even though we signed it up on the 17th and it's a monthly subscription, we set the next billing to the 15th of the month. So that's perfect. And let's see, upcoming invoices right here. This is a preview of the invoice that will be billed on April 15th. I love this preview because it gives you the date of the next billing and it shows you it will be for $39. But let's look at this current invoice for today's purchase. It was not for $39 as it normally would be because we set a billing anchor. It was for $36.48 because of the proration. So that is how you set up a payment button with a billing anchor. I hope you like this new feature. It's a good one. All right, enjoy.